If you thought inflation was the reason your eggs are so expensive right now, think again. One of the root causes is really factory farming. Factory farms profit from the exploitation of sentient beings and subject animals like chickens to inhumane and cruel treatment. When outbreaks like avian flu hit factory chicken farms, millions of animals are killed in order to prevent the spread of disease. Their deaths lead to sudden product shortages, making eggs and chicken more expensive. So those dozen eggs you're buying for upwards of $5 right now are a direct result of unsustainable practices on factory farms. Chickens on factory farms spend their lives packed together in cramped cages or crowded barns. They're genetically uniform, their bodies strained by high productivity. When exposure to bird flu virus occurs, factory farms are a perfect breeding ground for it to evolve and spread rapidly. A single outbreak can quickly result in the suffering and death of tens of millions of individual sentient animals. We can be part of the solution. Reducing the demand for eggs can reduce the daily suffering of egg-laying hens on factory farms and the devastation of bird flu outbreaks. Make easy and potentially more cost-effective swaps for eggs in your meals and recipes with plant-based alternatives for breakfast, baking, or general use. Pre-made commercial products like Just Egg, Zero Egg, or Simply Eggless are widely available. Or try ingredient swaps like applesauce, bananas, or flaxseed mixed with water as an egg substitute in your bakes. To learn more about accessible alternatives to eggs and other animal products, join World Animal Protection's U.S. Meeting Halfway program. This 21-day journey includes a guide filled with recipes, tips, and discount codes that help you reduce your egg, meat, and dairy consumption all at your own pace.